Dog.
Good morning.
Okay,
So,
sometime sasambiting muna si Ayan. Sarap ng tulog.
Hey everyone! So, kakatapos ko lang mag-interview. Meron ako interview via Zoom lang naman. Because we're looking for a sales manager for our business. So, in case you don't know, meron kaming actual business. Bukod sa pagtitinda ko ng libro, we have a software development company and we are currently looking for a sales manager for our startup. So, nag-interview ako today. Pero isa lang naman yung applicant in-interview ko today. I think tomorrow pa yung iba. Yun. Saglit lang naman siya, mga 20 minutes. Yeah. So, it's already 11:27. It's 11:27 and actually, nag-start ako mag-post sa bookshop ng mga available books. Pero dalawa pa lang yung napopost ko. So, magpo-post pa ako ng iba since kailangan na makabenta ulit at napakaraming stocks dito sa bahay. Ayan. Kita niyo ba yung mga boxes na yan? Yes, stocks. Also, here, ayan yung box na yan na dalawa. Tapos, doon sa kitchen na napakita ko na yun the other day yata. If I'm not mistaken. So, yeah. We really need to sell more books. In case you don't follow us, I'm going to link our bookshop in the description box. So, or you can search for it. It's Markel Bookshop on Instagram and TikTok, and on Facebook, it's under my old shop, which is Nothing Less Awesome. In case interesado kayo sa mga books, meron kami iba't ibang books. May fiction, non-fiction, kids literature, teen fic, thriller, whatever. Meron. Marami. Follow lang and order from us. Hindi. Oh, lika. Ayan. Puno ko mga yan, baby na yan. Pupuno. yan. Pupunas mo na yan, baby ko. Pupunas mo na yan. Yan, baby ko na yan. Pupunas mo na yan. Okay? OOTD. Cutie. Okay. Actually, nagluluto ako ng lunch namin. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Okay. Dede na, dede. Buti na lang natapos ko ng i-fried rice yung tirang kanin kagabi. Hindi na ako nagsaing kasi 3 lang naman kami dito. Umalis si Omar, may meeting siya today. So, may meeting si Omar today. So, umalis siya. Kaya, ang nandito lang is si Ark, ako, tsaka si Evie. Si Evie hindi siya nakapasok kasi masakit yung puso niya. Kasi first day of mens ay sumasakit ng grabe yung puso niya. Tapos, sobrang hinang-hina siya. Grabe yung dysmenorrhea niya. So, yun, hindi siya nakapasok. Kaya kami 3 lang. So, yung tira na lang na rice kagabi yung kakainin namin. Tapos, since wala kaming ulam, may sausage naman sa baba. So, yun na lang yung ulamin namin. Hindi ko pa naprito yung sausage kasi pag-check ko kay AL, umiiyak na siya. So, ayan. Kaya na-pause muna yung pag-ready ko ng aming lunch. Papadidayin ko lang siya onte. Tapos, bawa kami para maluto ko na yung sausage. At makakain na kami kasi what time is it? 1 o'clock pa. Well, 1 o'clock pa lang naman. Okay. So, what I'm going to do now is sort AL's clothes based on the months na pwede niyang isuot. So, may mga clothes na newborn, may mga clothes na 0 to 3, meron naman 3 to 6, and meron 6 to 9, and meron ding 9 to 12. So, medyo, as of now, ito sila. Ayan. Halo-halo yan. So, mas okay if masusort sila para mas alam kung ano yung pwede nang kuhanin, kung ano yung pwede na niyang isuot at the moment. So, let's go and get all this. Okay, so ito yung mga shirt onesies niya na 0 to 3. Lahat to ay 0 to 3 months. So, what I'm planning to do is put this doon sa cart. I think meron pa dito. Meron pa siya dito mga 0 to 3 months. Pero mga long sleeves or may sleeves na yung mga yan. I remember correctly. Okay, so this is what the cart looks like at the moment. Ito yung kanyang mga frog suit, pantulog sa likod. May mga parang blouse or dress na onesie siya dyan. Ito yung mga onesies na pwedeng pang bahay, pwede rin pang alis. And then sa likod, mga onesie na long sleeves. Or basta mas mahaba yung mga manggas niya. Ayan. Actually, pwede palagyan dito sa ibaba. Pero kasi right now, we're using the lower cart for her dirty clothes. Pero dyan ko na rin nilagay yung extra wipes. Tsaka yung baby wrap. Hey guys, good afternoon. Hi. Okay, so hindi ako nakapag-start ng vlog agad kanina. Kasi si AL ay gising simula 6:30 hanggang almost 10. Oo, ng umaga. Sobrang tagal niyang makatulog. Ayun. Kaya walang pag-asang mag-vlog. Anyway, today ay prom ni Ain. Excited ka? Not really. And ayusan ko siya ng buhok and makeup. Before and after na lang, hindi ko na i-video lahat dahil wala akong memory na malaki. So, ito yung before. Later makikita yung after. Sana maganda. Pag hindi ko nagawa yung hairstyle na iniisip ko, pwede naman kahit wavy curls na lang, diba? Okay din naman yun. We'll see, we'll see. Sige, BRB. Ito na po yung after. Nice na po. Hi.
Oh, someone's calling you. Oh, someone's calling you.
Oh, look at yourself.
It's Ian's.
Type mo. Hey everyone, good morning. So, it's already past 9, a little past 9, and as usual, hinintay ko makatulog si AL bago ako mag-start ng vlog. For 2 days na, since yesterday, she's been awake longer than usual, longer than before. So, kahapon, gising siya from 6:30 a.m. up to almost 10. Ngayon naman, from 6:40 until now. So, kakapatulog ko lang sa kanya, pero parang medyo hindi pa malalim yung tulog niya. So, maya-maya, pag meron na namang umiyak, alam niyo na ibig sabihin nun. So, yun yung napansin ko sa kanya, nung nag 1 month siya is, mahaba na yung kanyang waking hours. So, mas mahaba na siyang yung oras na gising siya. Unlike before, na sobrang tagal, parang tulog lang siya lagi. Today, no exact plan, but there are things in mind that I wanna do, and hopefully magawa ko siya. At the moment, the way I do things is that I just go with the flow. Hindi na ako yung tipong nagsiset talaga ng, okay, ito yung must-dos ko today. Kasi, sa totoo lang, medyo mahirap pang gumalaw. And mahirap siya in a way na, syempre nga, I have to attend to AL, and nag-iiba-iba pa yung kanyang sleeping time, sleeping schedule. Sobrang iba pa siya. Sobrang, hindi pa siya consistent. The only consistent thing that we do right now when it comes to her sleep is yung ginigising ko siya in the morning around 6:30 para makapagpaaraw siya. Para mag-sunbathing siya. But apart from that, we just really go with the flow. So, ano lang yung pwede kong magawa while tulog siya or while gising siya saglit na hindi siya fussy, yun yung gagawin ko. So, wala tayong specific to-do list. But one of the things in mind that I wanna do is, or I wanna start doing is, i-declutter yung aking makeup table, which nagamit ko siya yesterday since ginawa ko nga yung makeup and hair ni Ain for her prom, which I'm so glad about kasi it's been a while since I did someone else's makeup. I think yung last ko na nag-makeup ako sa ibang tao ay 2019 pa, with my sister and mom. Inano ko sila, minikapan ko sila during the wedding of my cousin. So that was 5 years ago. Ayan, ngayon lang ulit. Pero successful naman. Pati yung sa hair, nagawa ko naman siya ng maayos, which I'm proud of. Bala ko i-declutter na siya kasi talagang kahapon, as I was going through the products there, ang dami ng products doon na talagang kailangan na silang itapon. Hindi ko na sila pwedeng itago just kahit pa for sentimentality purposes. Kasi talagang sobrang expired na sila, and yung iba Like, meron ako mga liquid lipstick na pag tinanggal mo yung takip and wand, tanggal na yung pinaka felt tip or yung pinaka tip nung wand. So, yung mga yon kailangan na siya i-let go, ganyan. And siguro 90%, if not 95% of the makeup I have there are expired already. So, hindi ko sila itatapon lahat again. Pero, merong mga iba na pwede ko na i-let go. Maluwag na sa aking kalooban na i-let go sila. So, yun yung nasa isip ko today. Also, pack up yung mga for donation or for giveaway ng mga damit nga ni Art na pinagliitan na niya. Since nandun pa rin sila kung saan sila nakapwesto the past how many days na. The other night, I tried fixing my closet using yung storage space that I bought from Shopee. Ganito siya. But, hindi naging successful. So, binalik ko na lang ulit sa dating pwesto yung aking mga damit. So, isipan ko pa siya kung paano ko siya maaayos. Kasi talaga marami na. So, siguro kailangan ko pang mamigay ng mas, mag-let go ng mas marami since I really need more space. Yeah, there's that.
Okay, is everyone here?
Masagi mo, Art.
Hi guys. Hi. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. So mommy's monitor has broke because a cat, one of those cats had broken this part. And if you're watching this, like Dasha's, which is vanilla. Yeah, it's very So how to make it strong? You just need some salad so you can eat healthy. If you eat salad, your eyesight will be better, and so you'll get nice and strong.
Wait, it's actually a vlog.
Okay.
Yeah, nagbo-vlog ako
Okay.
tapos nakaharap naman siya. Hindi rin ako nakita.
Okay, guys.
Enough.
Mommy! Okay. How to get more strong? Another way to get more stronger, you just need to work out.
Hey, si Ariel, ha? Okay, enough. Put it back there.
Or do this.
What are you doing? Okay.
What happened?
Hi, bye-bye.
Hey guys, okay. Wala akong nagawa today. Hindi ko nagawa yung sinasabi kong magde-declutter ako. But, no, not true. Not true na wala akong nagawa. Kasi, nakapaglaba ako. So, nakapaglaba ako ng mga kumot. Nagkapaglaban, sampay ako ng mga damit namin. Yun nga lang, yung decluttering, hindi ko siya nagawa. Pero, napack ko na rin yung clothes ni Ark for donation / giveaway. Actually, iniisip ko nga ibebenta ko yung iba dun kasi meron pa siyang mga pants na okay pa naman sila. So, pwedeng mabenta. Pero, at the same time, parang gusto ko na lang sila ipamigay to give back din, or parang gusto kong kumbaga ay pay it forward yung blessings. So, yun, pinag-isipan ko pa. But anyway, yung decluttering ng vanity, hindi ko siya nagawa kasi nakita nyo naman kanina, si AL ay ayaw niya matulog. So, gising siya from 3 p.m. hanggang mga past 6. So, that's 3.5 hours, siguro almost 4 hours siyang gising. So, we've arrived at that point na, I don't know, mas mahaba na yung waking hours niya. More power to us. Anyway, sabi ko naman, no pressure kasi I have to focus on taking care of AL, taking care of the baby. That's the season where I am in right now. Also, hindi pa rin naman ako talaga, wala pa akong go signal from my OB to do like a lot of physical activity or a lot of chores. So, ayoko rin persahin yung sarili ko kasi baka mamaya makasama pa sa akin since yun nga, wala pa akong go signal from my OB. Although, I feel a lot better. Okay naman yung pakiramdam ko. Although, minsan kumikirot-kirot yung aking tahi. But apart from that, I'm fine. Wala naman akong bleeding or spotting na minsan lang meron. As in, super, super, super light. Nothing to worry about. Pero, yeah, still, hindi ko pa pwedeng persahin ang aking sarili to do a lot of things. Since I know that my body still has to recover. Sa loob, hindi ko lang siya nakikita, but I know inside, kailangan pa niya mag-recover talaga. So, no pressure. Right now, I know that God is telling me to actually take things slow, to take things in stride, and yun naman yung sabi ko, if I have to rest, I need to rest. And also, the season of life where I am in right now is the season of, again, taking care of my newborn. And so, I have to focus on that. Yung mga decluttering, yung mga other tasks, other things that I have in mind, they can wait. Speaking of, ayan na siya, umiiyak na siya ulit. Wait lang. Right now, I'm gonna try and do a bit of editing. Dito yung aking laptop. Tatry ko na mag-start mag-edit ng vlogs, especially the ones that I took like last week or last week or when I started vlogging. I think nag-start ako mag-vlog April 5 and today is April 14. So, it's been more than 1 week since I started vlogging. Kaya kailangan ko na mag-start mag-edit. Otherwise, history will repeat itself na ang dami-dami kong clips, ang dami-dami kong vlog na araw. Tapos, hindi ko rin naman sila mapopost dahil hindi ko sila na-edit. So, might as well do that now habang ako yung may energy pa. May milk tea nga pala. And yung energy ko is care of milk tea. Nang libre sila in. So, mamaya ay feeling ko mawala na rin ako ng energy. So, prayer ko lang ay sana, what I'm hoping for is sana si AL tonight ay magtuloy-tuloy naman ang tulog para kami rin medyo makatulog ng maayos. Especially si Omar. Kasi si Omar hindi talaga siya nakatulog last night. Kaya rin kanina, hapon, habang gising si AL, nag-nap siya dito, si Omar, with Ark. Tapos bumaba muna kami. Actually, ang dami namin ginawa. Binaba ko siya, tinry ko siyang patulugin sa couch, ayaw niya. Tapos karga ko lang siya sa baba for a while. Wala pa rin, hindi pa rin siya nakatulog. Umakyat kami dito, tinatry ko siya patulugin. Ngawit na ako and everything. Ayun, inabot na kami ng mga 6 something.